ఒలింపిక్స్ లో పతకాలు సాధించిన మెరుగైన ఆట తీరు ప్రదర్శించిన అథ్లెట్లను అభినందిస్తున్నారు మాస్టర్ బ్లాస్టర్ సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్. గోపీచంద్ అకాడమీలో జరుగుతున్న పివి సింధు, సాక్షి మాలిక్, దీపా కర్మాకర్, గోపీచంద్లకు తన చేతుల మీదుగా కార్లను బహుకరిస్తారు.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this spectacular event initiated by Mr. Sachin Tendulkar and V. Chamundeshwar. We get the privilege to honor these three stupendously phenomenal athletes today. Just to ensure smooth functioning of this event, I would like to go over the agenda for the next 40 minutes for the media. First, we'll have a few words by the three Olympians and Pullela Gopichand, post which the media will have to relocate themselves to where the cars are standing. I will make an announcement at the same time so there won't be any ambiguity, after which there will be a photo op and a handover of the keys, which will conclude the proceedings for the day. Now that we have that out of the way, I would like to introduce the stage. First, we have our very own Hyderabadi lass, a first-time Olympian and the silver medalist in female singles badminton, and the first female silver medalist from India, PV Sindhu. Can I hear a big round of applause, people? Next, we have hailing from Haryana, the warrior wrestler, a first-time Olympian as well, the bronze medalist in women's wrestling in the category of 58 kg, Sakshi Malik. We also have with us on stage the Prodanova princess. We might have missed the medal by 0.01 difference, but she's still a champion in our hearts. The first gymnast from India to qualify after 52 years, Deepa Karmakar. Last but not the least, an all-England champion, the brains and the passion behind this academy, the coach and the mentor, and the secret ingredient behind the spectacular success of the sport of badminton in our cricket-loving nation. This man has given another sport to root for, Pullela Gopichand. I would also like to acknowledge a few of the VIP guests in the audience. We have the icon who needs no introduction, the legend, the god of cricket, and the goodwill ambassador for the athletes at the Olympics Rio 2016. And he continues to be a part of the journey of the Olympic champions by celebrating with them today. So Hyderabad, please give a warm welcome to the master blaster Sachin Tendulkar. The next gentleman I'm about to introduce is someone who I truly believe should invest in an automobile dealership. The biggest mascot of sport in the state of Telangana and his gift of choice for any sports achievement is a car. I give you the president of the Hyderabad Badminton Association and the vice president of the Telangana Badminton Association, Mr. V. Chamundeshwar Nair. I would also like to take a moment to acknowledge Mr. Prasad Nimmagadda, who is not here with us today because of another engagement, but his immense generosity was instrumental in building the state-of-the-art academy with world-class infrastructure. So can I please hear a big round of applause for Mr. Prasad Nimmagadda. I would also like to thank our sponsors, Mr. Yarineni Naveen, Mr. Tatineni Srinivas, Mr. Mannam Venkatamana, and Mr. Chalamala Sethi Anil from Greenco. Now the moment we've all been eagerly awaiting, I would like to call upon Sindhu to say a few words about her Olympic journey so far.
Good morning everybody, and it's a great privilege to be here today. And I would first of all like to thank Sachin sir and Chamundi sir for gifting me a car. And I would like to say you something that when they gifted me the first car, Swift Desire, Sachin sir told me that definitely if you get an Olympic medal, he would definitely give me another car, and that happened today. So I'm very thankful to you, sir. And yes, I'm really very thankful to everybody because of your blessings I'm here today. And I think overall it's my dream and it has come true that I'll have to get an Olympic medal, and I'm very thankful to my coach because my whole journey till now I was with him, and pleasure to be here today. And I would like to thank everybody out there. I would like to thank everybody out there, and I think definitely in the coming upcoming tournaments, definitely I will get laurels to the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sindhu. Fantastic words. You know, it's the toughest thing for a sportsman to stand on stage and say a few things, but they do more fantastic feats than that. They win for our country. So give it up, ladies and gentlemen. PV Sindhu. I would now like to invite Sakshi Malik to say a few words about her time in the Olympics.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया, अकेली गई थी और अब पूरा इंडिया मेरे साथ है, तो आप ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहें कि मैं टोक्यो में भी ब्रोंज को गोल्ड में बदल दूं। और थैंक यू JSW, इंडियन रेलवे, माय पेरेंट्स, थैंक यू सचिन सर फॉर ऑनर मी हेयर, थैंक यू सो मच। और एक रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरा भाई आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन है, मेरी फैमिली के साथ एक फोटो जरूर ले
Thank you so much, Sakshi. I'm sure we'll see the gold at the next Olympics. I would now like to invite Deepa Karmakar to say a few words.
गुड मॉर्निंग, थैंक यू सो मच। बिना मेडल के भी इतना मुझे सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, थैंक यू सचिन सर, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
So I'm going to go with a cliche now. They say behind every successful man there's a woman, but behind this successful silver medalist there's a man. The coach, Pulala Gopichand. May I request you to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Thank you, Ramya. First of all, would like to congratulate the three ladies on stage. I think no time before has the nation's pride been saved more than what these three ladies have done. Fantastic effort. I think what KTR said the other day, I think save the girl child was the norm, but it's, I think, saved by the girl child is what I would say. I think thank you very much for keeping our honor and pride, and congratulations on the fantastic effort. All three of these medals are nothing less than the gold, and congratulations to all of you. Years ago, when this journey started, I think I spoke about winning a gold medal or a medal at the Olympics, not a gold medal. I said we would win a medal at the Olympics, and many people laughed. And thanks to one person who trusted and believed that this was possible, over a breakfast, Nimagada Prasad offered help, and that's how this academy started. I think a huge support for him, from him. Thank you very much, Professor. His daughter's getting married today, so he's not here. Best wishes to him, and thank you, Prasad Garu, for the help, which when nobody trusted me, I think you trusted me. Thank you very much. Would like to thank him for this wonderful support at that point of time. Over the years, last time we had a bronze. We came here, we celebrated the bronze. Today, thanks to Sindhu's and that effort, we are here with the silver. And Sachin was there last time presenting the car. Chamundi, my good friend, he's done about I think 13 to 14 cars for various athletes. Thank you for the kind of support. It's not only I think it's not only the support which comes out in front of us in terms of the cars, but I think whenever somebody needs a kneecap or a shoe or an insole, I think he's always there to help. Thank you, Chamundi, for that effort. And Sachin, your words of encouragement ever, in the sense that the Olympics, when you were there and you spent those moments prior to the Olympics, during the Olympics, and post the Olympics. I think thank you very much. You're a great ambassador for our sport in general, and your support is greatly appreciated. We'd also like to thank all our sponsors who have gifted these cars. I'm sure all of us here will enjoy these this, and hopefully this will drive us to perform better in the future. To the entire media and our well-wishers and the entire academy staff, I think hugely. It's been a great support from all of you. I think I'm here on stage, but this is only the face, the huge amount of effort which all of my coaches, my physios, my trainers, all of them have put is something phenomenal. Thank you very much, all of you. I think without your support, to all of the people who help us keep this place so clean, to the entire academy, I think we owe a lot to you, and such medals just give us the kind of motivation to push harder. Thank you very much to the support all of you have given, to the government, to Sai, to the entire media fraternity. I think just would say very grateful that you've put us in this position. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Gopi. Your words, as always, are inspirational. Now, the Gopi Chand Academy would like to give a token of appreciation to the 3 Olympians. I would like to call on stage Gopi's mom to give a token of appreciation to Sakshi Malik. Next, I would like to call on stage Gopi's sister to give a token of appreciation to Deepa Karmakar.